You're back with Steve from Tricked Out Custom Cycles, and today I want to show you this beautiful 2015 Suzuki Hayabusa we just tricked out.
That's right. Riding a Suzuki Hayabusa never gets old. You know, I've been working on these bikes since they came out in '99. This is a 2015 model, and the ride, the feel of a Busa, whether it's stock, whether it's customized, never gets old. So here in this 2015 today, we just converted one of our 240 swing arm kits. This one we did at a real nice short stance. This one's sitting at about 5 inches over factory right now. So it gives you a nice clean tucked in there. The bike will still handle beautifully because the geometry changes. The longer and the lower you change the bike, the worse the bike handles. You got to use your body a little bit more to get it to maneuver around. So we have this lowered. We also complemented it by changing the front wheel to an 18-inch with an 18-inch tire. To do that, we make custom shims and just shim up the front fender, spacing it up about an inch to give you that extra clearance, because all 240 wheels are 18 8.5, so instead of having a 17 in the front and an 18 in the back, we like to convert them both to 18, which makes you change the tire. The cost of the wheels no more. So on this one we did that conversion, removing the right side caliper and rotor to give it a more visual look, to show the wheel off more. Custom also has some Kaufman short dual slip-ons. I know I did them because the tip of them really complements the gold Hayabusa logo on the side. So we also put some other custom accessories on the bike. Avon's custom grips, some Ransom Machine Works, levers, reservoir caps, fork caps, top triple tree, to give the bike start pulling off the contrast cut look throughout the bike. So here you have it, another cool example of a Hayabusa, still a great looking bike after all these years. It's amazing that this body style, the Gen 2, has been running since 2008. Now till 2020, same body style. So you know you nailed it right when you run a bike for that many years without making any significant changes. And even the Gen 1 Busa that came out in '99 to '07 had its long run with no changes. So here it is today, still one of the king of the sport bike industries, the Suzuki Hayabusa. So I want to see, there's so many bikes out there. I want you to tag me up, send me a picture of your custom Hayabusa. As crazy, as mild. If you love this bike, tag it up. Let's see what you got. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and send us a picture. We'll see you next time at Tricked Out Cycles.